Alright guys, I have a 12-inch Tropo XL that I'm going to open up real quick, show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to compare it to the 10-inch, which I showed you guys I think yesterday or the day before. So get to it. I already took the packing box off, so I took this out of the packing box already. Inside we have our usual CT Sounds paperwork. Again, I opened it upside down. Oh man, just amazing that I do that every time. Man, got all these packs so tight. I don't know if I'm gonna get that magnet out. There we go. All right, there we go. Man, that's a good size woofer. All right, so that's first look to what it looks like. Good size magnet on there. I'll compare it to the 10. As you can see, they stand at almost the exact same height. Obviously the 12 is a lot bigger. That looks way bigger. That's all right. But anyway, that's the 12 compared to the 10. And I got a box coming for the, I got two 12s. I got another one down here too, but I got a box coming that I'm gonna put these in. Dual 4 ohm, 1000 watts RMS. This magnet is just enormous. So anyways, that's just a quick opening of the 12-inch compared to the 10-inch, what it looks like. Looks like it's got a little bit more of a surround on it. Obviously, I know it's a bigger subwoofer, but it does have a little bit more of a surround on it, it looks like. So you might be able to get a little bit more flex and power out of the 12 than you would the 10. But yeah, otherwise, I mean, that's a massive subwoofer. And I think this was like 115 bucks for this. And if you have a discount code, which every single time you purchase something, it comes with a discount code, you get even more money off that. So this is about 100 bucks each. This is with the discount code, this is like just under 100 bucks each. So bang for your buck. This is gonna be the best subwoofer out there. So anyway, hope you guys are having a good day.